Welcome to the Storyteller's Path. Let's learn English together. Wow. Okay, this is a lot. Bigger than I imagined.
Yes, so many people. I feel small and a little lost.
Me too, honestly. But we planned for this, right? First, big adventure. Remember our checklist? Okay, deep breath. First thing, we need to find the check-in desk for our airline. It's Skywing Airlines, right?
Yes, Skywing. I have the ticket here, Terminal 3. What terminal is this?
Good question. Let me see. Okay, signs. We need to follow the signs for departures and then Terminal 3. Look, see that big yellow sign? Departures. Let's head that way.
Departures. Okay. Maria, what does departures mean again?
It means where the planes leave from. And arrivals is where they come in. So we're departing, going on our adventure. Come on, let's follow the arrows.
Are we going the right way? Everyone is walking so fast.
We are. See, more departures signs. And look, there's a map. Okay, we are here, and Terminal 3 is this way. It looks like a bit of a walk, but nothing crazy. We have plenty of time. Our flight isn't until 3 p.m. It's only 11 a.m. now.
3 hours. Good. I don't like to rush. What if I forget something important?
You won't. We checked everything 100 times. Passports, tickets, money, phone, charger. You're good. Just try to relax a little. This is exciting. Oh, look! Chocolate. Later, Leo. First, we check in our bags. Then maybe we can browse. Okay, I think I see the airline counters. They usually have big signs with the airline names above them. Okay. Skywing Airlines. Where are you? Ah, there. Counters 20 to 25. Let's go to counter 22. It looks like it has a shorter line.
Okay. What do I say?
Just say hello. They'll ask for your passport and ticket. You hand them over. They'll ask if you have any liquids in your carry-on or anything prohibited. You just say no, and then they'll weigh your bag. Don't worry, I'll be right here. You can do it.
Hello? No. Thank you.
Exactly. You've got this. Just remember to smile. Hello, we are checking in for the flight to London. Here, you go. This is Leo.
Hello? No. No liquids. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
See? That wasn't so bad, was it? You did great.
My heart was fast. But it's done. Boarding pass. What is boarding pass?
This little paper is your boarding pass. It shows your flight number, your seat number. Look, you're 14A, I'm 14B. Window seat for you, lucky. And your gate number, which is A7. That's where we go next. And the boarding time is 2:30 p.m.
A7. Okay. So next is security?
Exactly, the dreaded security line. But we know what to do. Take off our shoes, belts, anything metal, put laptops and liquids in separate trays. Let's find security checkpoint.
Oh no, long line. Will we have time?
We have plenty of time. Remember, the agent said boarding is at 2:30. It's just past noon now. We'll be fine. Let's get everything ready while we wait. Take out your laptop. Get your little bag of liquids ready.
My watch. Should I put it in the tray?
Probably best. Any metal on you usually sets off the alarm. Oh, and you have coins in your pocket, right? Put those in the tray too. Okay, let's go.
Shoes off? Laptop out? My jacket too?
Yes, put your jacket in a tray. And your belt, if you have one on.
I hope everything is okay.
It will be. Don't worry. Just walk through the scanner when they tell you.
Ah, what? My pockets? Nothing.
Do you have anything left in your pockets, Leo? Like a tissue or a small coin?
Oh! Yes! My keys! Sorry. Whew, that was embarrassing. I forgot my keys.
Don't worry. It happens all the time. Now, let's put ourselves back together. Put your shoes back on. We're officially past security. That's the hardest part, I think.
Hardest part, yes. My heart is fast again.
Take it easy. Now we have some free time. Do you want to find our gate first, A7, or do you want to grab some lunch? Maybe look at those chocolate shops you saw.
Lunch first. I am hungry. And maybe a coffee.
Good idea. Let's find a restaurant. Okay, A7 is that way, but there are some food options here. How about that Italian place? Or a sandwich shop?
Sandwich. Simple. Please. I would like a turkey sandwich, please. And water.
White or...
He means light or dark bread.
Oh, white, please. Thank you. No, thank you. That is all. Thank you. This is good. I like this. I did it. I ordered.
You did. See? You're doing great. It's all about trying. Even if you make a little mistake or forget a word, people usually understand.
Yes, she understood. But I felt...
Awkward? It's totally normal to feel a bit awkward when you're speaking a new language, especially in a new place. Everyone goes through it. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
I hope so. I want to speak more.
You will. We have a whole trip ahead of us. Okay, let's check the time. It's 1 p.m. We should probably start heading towards gate A7. It might be a bit of a walk, and we want to be there well before boarding starts.
Gate A7. Let's go.
Look, it's pretty lively here. I guess a lot of people are traveling today.
What is this? Flight information?
Yes, this screen shows all the flights. We should check ours to make sure there are no delays or gate changes. Our flight number is Skywing 456. Let's find it.
Skywing. Skywing. Ah, here. Skywing 456 to London. Gate A7. On time.
Perfect.
no changes. Good. It's always good to double-check these screens, just in case. Sometimes gates change at the last minute.
So we just wait at the gate?
Yep. We'll find gate A7, then we find some seats nearby and wait for them to announce boarding. It's like waiting for a bus, but for a plane.
Here we are. A7. Good. Are there seats?
Plenty. Let's find a couple of empty ones near the window. I like to watch the planes.
They are so big. How do they fly?
Magic, probably. Or, physics. I'm just glad they do. Are you feeling okay now? Less nervous?
Less nervous, yes. More excited. It's real now. We are really going.
We are. Our first international trip together. It's going to be amazing.
Boarding? Is that us?
Not yet. Boarding by zones means they call different groups of people at different times. We need to check our boarding pass. See here? Zone 3. So we'll wait for them to call Zone 3. Not us yet. That's for people with special tickets or frequent flyers. Still not us. Patience, young Padawan.
That's us, Leo. Come on, let's get in line. Have your boarding pass and passport ready. This is it, the last step.
Almost. Then we find our seats, put our bags in the overhead compartment, and get ready for takeoff. Here you go.
Here?
Thanks.
Thank you.